Now in this section we will see what is PIG. So PIG is actually higher level programming environment. In the MapReduce framework, the program needs to be translated into series of map and reduce stages. However, this is not a programming model which data analysts are familiar with. So in order to bridge the gap, an abstraction called PIG is built on the top of Hadoop. So PIG is a high-level programming language as well as data flow system which is useful for analyzing the large data sets. It provides the simple language for queries and data manipulation. PIG Latin that is compiled into MapReduce jobs which can be run on Hadoop. PIG was a result of the development effort of Yahoo. Although the programming, map and reduce applications are not overly complex, but Apache PIG changes this by creating the simpler procedure language abstraction over the MapReduce to expose more about the SQL, that is the structured query language, like interface for Hadoop application. So instead of writing the separate MapReduce applications, we can directly write a single script in PIG Latin which is automatically parallelized and distributed across the cluster. PIG enables people to focus more on analyzing the bulk data sets and spend less time in writing the algorithms and programs. Similar to pigs who eat anything, the programming language is designed to work upon any kind of data, and because of that the name is given as PIG. Now why it is important? So companies like Yahoo, Google and Microsoft are collecting enormous data sets in the form of clickstream, search log and web scrolls. Some form of ad hoc processing and analysis of all this information is required, and by using PIG we can easily analyze the bulk data set and we are spending less time in writing the programs by using PIG. So the main two components of PIG Latin, which is a language, and the runtime environment for running the PIG Latin programs. So the PIG Latin program consists of series of operations or transformation which are applied to the input data to produce the particular output. These operations describes the data flow which is translated into an executable representation by PIG execution environment. So the results of these transformations are series of MapReduce jobs which a programmer is unaware of. So in a way, PIG allows the programmer to focus on data rather than the nature of execution. The PIG Latin is relatively stiff language which uses the familiar keywords from data processing like join, group, filter, and in the execution mode or runtime environment, so they are having two execution modes, that is the local mode and the MapReduce mode. So in local mode the PIG runs a single JVM and makes use of local file system. This mode is suitable for analysis of small data sets. In the MapReduce mode, queries written in PIG Latin are translated into MapReduce jobs and they are run on Hadoop cluster. We can use the pseudocode in this as well. So the MapReduce mode with fully distributed cluster is useful for running the PIG on the large data set. Okay, so this is all about the PIG language and the components of PIG. Now in the next section we will see the difference between PIG Hive and the difference between PIG MapReduce. Thank you.